Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna show you how to make delicious Sundubu Jjigae, which is Korean spicy soft tofu stew. Here are ingredients, and this is for anchovy stock. Anchovies and kelp and dried onion skins. Don't throw them away because they help to make really good stock. First thing to do is making a good anchovy stock. Let's remove the guts from the anchovies and put in 4 cups of water with dried kelp and onion skin. Then let's boil over high heat. Once it starts to boil, take kelp out because it makes bitter flavor later on. Then keep boiling for another 10 minutes. While it is boiling, finely chop the green onion and onion. In a pot, add a spoon of sesame oil and 2 spoons of cooking oil. Then stir-fry the chopped green onion. Once green onions get wet, add minced pork and chopped onion, and add minced garlic and red pepper powder. Season with soy sauce, salt, and sugar. Pour 3 cups of anchovy stock, add clams and bring to boil. While it is boiling, slice zucchini, green onion, and trim enoki mushroom. Add zucchini and scoop in soft tofu. Add just seasoning with salted shrimp, which is Seawoojeot, and add pepper. Finally, add chopped spicy green pepper, green onion, and enoki mushroom and finish with egg and dash of sesame oil. Let's enjoy it with cooked rice. Yummy!